So we'll just have a little quick spin in the Honda Jazz, see what she drives like. So all automatic, so just select D for drive, which comes up there on the display, and there we go. Let's just have a little little tootle around the yard. Seems to drive nice and smooth. No funny noises. Plenty of power when you put your foot down. Yeah, typical Honda. Nice quiet engine, nice and smooth. Nothing to worry about. Like I say, this would make a great little car for somebody who needs a small automatic, nice and easy to drive, easy to park, easy to live with, reliable. What's not to like?